It seems there's no doubt that the last Jaguar F-Type is destined to be a collector's item. Named the F-Type ZP edition, it's the final internal combustion engine Jaguar sports car, drawing inspiration back to Jaguar's heritage of the ZP edition E-types that won races in 1961 at Oulton Park for Graham Hill and Roy Salvadori's win at Crystal Palace. The theme continues with the colours of the two winning E-types being the sole choice of colour for this last ZP F-Type edition. Outon Blue with Mars Red and Ebony leather for Graham Hill's car, and crystal grey exterior with a Navy Blue and Ebony leather for the Salvadori car. All of the last F-types have porcelain white gloss, hand-painted racing style roundels on the doors with matching front lipstick round the inside of the front air intake. The 575 horsepower all-wheel drive 5 litre supercharged V8 engine has 423 kilowatts at 6,500 RPM and 700 Newton meters of torque at 3,500 RPM, and that's all via an 8-speed automatic gearbox. 0 to 100k is 3.7 seconds with a restricted top speed of 300 kilometers an hour. Only produce 150 of the F-Type ZP edition globally, and just 24 coupes will be available in Australia. And historically, the F-Type was originally unveiled in 2012, and Jaguar have since produced 87,731 cars up to 2024. The F-Type has a heritage sporting bloodline that stretches back over 75 years of sports cars and 90 years of Jaguars, and this includes some of the most beautiful, thrilling and desirable cars ever built by any car manufacturer. And I think the F-Type will hold a special place for all sports car enthusiasts, from its iconic shape to the sound of the V8 engine that's going to be sadly missed by those fortunate enough to have heard it roar. And all of this is starkly in contrast to the near silent running of Jaguar's all-electric future. To celebrate the last F-Type, Jaguar intend to restore 7 pairs of Series 1 E-types based on their original specifications for cars produced between 1961 and 1964. Each pair consists of one Outon Blue drop head coupe and one crystal grey fixed head, and that's only 14 cars in total. In the restoration, as much as possible of the original E-type will be retained or refurbished to the correct specifications. Any safety critical or service wearing parts will be replaced by Jaguar classic parts or original donor parts from other Jaguars. Each restored E-type is expected to undergo 2,000 hours of restoration, and that's 40 hours to be spent on the nose alone. To keep up with modern appeal and to retain authenticity, each restored vehicle will have a classic 5-speed gearbox and a modern infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity and navigation. And to further retain authenticity, each ZP Collection E-Type will be completely restored according to the original 1960 specification from records and original drawings held by Jaguar Heritage Trust, and that combines the latest technology with traditional craftsmanship. And as an added bonus, each car will be supplied with an Ever Oak helmet inspired by the Hill and the Salvadori originals, and that should make a very distinctive coffee table display piece. Thanks for watching.